Hey, Assalamu alaikum Mubarak. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all have been in the very best of health. Alhamdulillah, I'm doing so great. Right, Eid is coming and I am excited. I hope you all are preparing for Eid also. I pray that we get the benefit of this Eid, and I pray that this is not our last Eid on earth. So Eid Mubarak to all of you guys. So today I will be making a pinless Niqab style. Like, this Niqab style is a very easy one. It doesn't take time to style, and it can be styled for any occasion. It's a very beautiful one, very easy and cool and elegant. So I'm, I'm going to make this style without pins. Like, I know most of us like myself, I don't like putting a lot of pins on my head. Hope you you all like it and you style it like this. And okay, let's get to the video. So the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to use a white shawl. It's a long one, yes. So I'm going to fold it into 2 equal parts. This is it. These 2 edges are going to meet, and like this, like this. You must have an opening here, and this. So before you do that, you're going to fold them to the wrong side, because when you finish styling it, so that the wrong side will not be outside. So you're going to fold the wrong side. So, and you put it like this. This style is a full one. It's a full coverage hijab. So you're going to put this around your nose like this. Check this ends. Oh my. Take the ends and you put around your nose, and you tie at the back. You can use your cap, your bonnet, anyone. You can use it, but now I'm not using any scarf, just my small hijab. So or you can just style it without using anything, just the way you want it. And you put this, put one up like this. See? This does not take time at all. So this is it. Sure you're not showing any parts. So this style is easy for you, makes it easier for you to eat or drink or put anything in your mouth. So it's a very easy one. So you can leave it this way, like this, if you want, just like this. And this is, let me show you, this is the finished. This is the finished product. The finished look, I mean. And that's it. And I'm going to show you another one. If you don't want it this way, you can actually do it like this. You take this side, now this side, the one falling at your right side, or the other side, so you just take it over like this. With this you can still go, you will still get your full coverage. Yeah, this style I used to do it when I was younger. This particular style I used to try it when I was younger, and you take this one, it's too long here, and take it here and just put it around here like this. And now this is the finished look. It's cool, huh? Yeah, it is cool. Yeah. This is the look. Okay, can still adjust this here. So this is the final look. Oh, this came down. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.